Hello, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style. So today we're gonna do a barbecue and we're gonna start just making this small cut into the tomatoes and them into boiling water for around 2 minutes, just like that. And now we're gonna pour the water and let our tomatoes cool down a little bit. In the meantime, we got one onion and we're gonna cut into half. And in our pot, we're gonna add a little bit of oil and place our onion, just like you see in the video. Yeah. So now we turn and we peel our tomatoes off, just like that. Very easy. Yeah. Like when you're doing a bolognese or something like that, you peel off the same with hot water. Yeah. You don't have to, but I like it how it turns. Yeah. And you also, of course, remove the end of the tomato because it's hard. Yeah. So now we're gonna repeat the process with all our tomatoes. So after I peel them all, I will cut them into halves and we are gonna put them together with the onion, just like that. It's very easy, but it's just green sauce we're doing at home. Quite easy, yeah. You can also do a red spicy hot sauce like this, but I'm doing a barbecue with something called papelon, which is a unrefined sugar cane. This is one. The papelon is an unrefined whole sugar cane. Yeah, we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of it. It will substitute they will add the sweetness and it will substitute for the barbecue the molasses. Yeah, it will substitute the molasses. Yeah, so now we're gonna add a little bit of mustard. If you see, it's one of those packages from McDonald's or whatever shops, and we're gonna use also 4 of these packages of ketchup. Just squeeze them out and there. Now the second one, and just squeeze them all as well. Yeah. So now we're gonna continue with some garlic. You can also, of course, use a garlic powder if you want to. I'm using a fresh one. So now we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of sweet paprika, and this is the rest of it. So I'm pouring it all. Yeah, just like that. It was like half a spoon, and we are adding a little bit of cumin. Yeah. Now we're gonna add a little bit of soy sauce, like 2 tablespoons. And after the soy sauce, we are adding some vinegar. Yeah. Yes, this is apple vinegar. Yeah. So you can also use the regular vinegar depending on what you got. Yeah. So and now we need to mix it a little bit and let it cook for a medium-low temperature. Yeah, carefully, don't burn it. You are working with something sweet, and so you have to be very careful. Now, after mixing it a little bit, just lid on and let it cook a little bit. So now, carefully, it's hot. Now we're gonna blend it. I got my blender here, and just carefully until you get this consistency. This is the sauce. Yeah. Now we taste it. Yeah, we're gonna check our salt, acidity, pepper, etc. We are not using this time any spicy. So it was missing a little bit of acidity, so I add 4 tablespoons of vinegar and a little bit of salt. This is around 10 grams or just like that. A teaspoon was missing, and a little bit of pepper. I mentioned I'm not using any spicy, any chili, because my daughter might eat the meat I'm gonna prepare with this sauce, so I just let it just regular barbecue, no spicy. Now we just let it cook a little bit until it gets the color a little bit darker. Yeah, it will evaporate the rest of the water and will stay the sauce itself. Yeah, just like you see it now. So now we are ready to put them on jars, and in the jars they are gonna vacuum it itself with the heat. Yeah, they are small ones, as you may see. So I pour the sauce and I put the lid on and close it, and they will make themselves a vacuum. If they not, just like this one you see here, this one is vacuum. Look, this one is good, but this one, you see, you can move it. It goes up and down. Yeah, it has to be just like this. Yeah, and now here, yeah, this is not good. So this one is not good, it will get damaged. So we're gonna put it back in the water, in the hot water, and make a test. If it doesn't get better, if it stays like this, if it doesn't seal, then our lid is not good. Then we're gonna change the lid for a new one and put it back, of course, back into the hot pan until it vacuum itself. Yeah, let it cool down. This probably is damaged and now it doesn't work. You have to throw it away. You see, now it cooled down and it will not get damaged. So I hope you like it and it helped you, and leave your like behind the video if you like it. Thank you.